Next step is how to create a database connection to SQLite. So what we need to do is you need to create a new file, and new file, this is a file database helper dot. Okay, before that you need to open this file, and from here you need to write SQLite any, and the second is path underscore provider also any, and you click this package get, and you can see this is a process to installation of a library. Okay, finish, and then you go to database helper. What you need to do is a class database helper, and this is a database helper, and from here you need to create a static database helper, and we have an underscore database helper, a static database underscore database, and you can see this is a red line. This is a red line. So what you need to do, you need to import SQLite. This one. Okay, no more red line. So after that, factory, we have a database helper, and here this is open, and underscore database helper equal to, wait a minute, we are missing something here. So database helper dot underscore create instance like this, and this is a database helper, database helper dot create instance. So this is a semicolon, and here, so this is, we are using if statement here. We if underscore database helper equal to null, and this is a statement inside this. Okay, this is, and then return underscore database helper, and the second one is future. Inside is a database. Okay, we have a database, get database. Okay, and like this, and we are missing something here. We need to import dot this one. Okay, so this is a future, and if, let's say, underscore database equal to null, and then here we have a underscore database and equal to await initialize db, oh sorry, database. Okay, so this is initialize database, and return underscore database and semicolon. So the next one is future, and this is database, and this one is, you need to copy this function and paste to here, and this one you can minimize, no problem about this, and like this. Okay, we have a directory equal to await get application. So actually we don't have any get application here, so you need to import a library, import path, oh sorry, this is a import path provider, and this is a path provider. So what you need to do now here is a get application directory, and the second one is a string path equal to directory dot path. So no path function here, so you need to import another library, import that io. So here dot path, and then here path. This is your database name. It's called user.db. This is your database name, and user database equal to await open database. So inside this path we have a version, and the last one we have a on create underscore on create. So we have a create db, and this is a function. So the last one is a semicolon, and we need to write also a return and a user database and semicolon. Okay, the next step is create a table. So what we need to do is write, copy this one. Okay, write in here database db integer new version. Okay, so like this. And we have a await db dot execute, and here we need to create a table. Create table user, inside this id text primary key, name text, and email text, and the last one is semicolon. So this is how to create a table. And the last one is future. Inside this we have an integer, and then here we have an insert record and user here. So before that you need to import user.type. So here you can write user and like this. Okay, so this is a function to insert the data. Database db equal to await this dot database and a semicolon, and result equal to await db dot insert. So here we have a table name. Our table name is a user, and our value is user dot to map, and this is a semicolon, and return result like this. Okay, this is a function to insert a data. So for the next one, what we need to do is you need to go to form.dart. So from here, okay, this is a from here you need to write like this, and then void initstate dot super dot initstate. So we have a 3 variable name, and we have a function here. This is our function. Okay, so what we need to do now, we need to create user. Actually, no user is not recognized. What we need to do is go to here and import user.type. So you can go here, and then you can write like this user okay, and user. So we have a 3 variable id, name, and string. Based on our declaration here, this is id, name, and email. So the value is actually from here id, name, and email. So this is the first step. Now we need to make a connection to the database. Means that our database connection is from file database underscore helper. So what we need to do is go to form, and here we need to declare. Before that, we need to import database helper. So here database helper equal to database helper. So this is for database connection. Okay, and here declaration integer result, and result equal to await helper dot insert record, and here change to you. Okay, from here, if result not equal to 0, so print success, else print fail. Okay, now you can test. Run your application. Okay, so now you can enter admin and password. This is example. Login, and then here, for example, A001 and Farah. So your email address is farah@gmail.com, and you click save record, and you can see from here this is a success. So means that your data is already inserted into the SQLite database. So that's all for this tutorial, and see you on the next tutorial.